Hello, this is Tom from Stafford Audi, and today I'll be taking you around this brand new vehicle which we've just had come in stock here at the dealership. This is the Audi A6 Avant S-Line with the 40 TDI engine and the Quattro S-Tronic 4-wheel drive automatic gearbox and transmission. This particular model finished in the stunning Daytona grey pearlescent paintwork and looks super sporty and stylish from every angle. From the 2-litre turbo diesel engine you get 201 brake horsepower with 400 Nm of torque, getting you from 0 to 62 in around 7.6 seconds. On the front we have these fabulous matrix LED headlights offering you maximum visibility regardless of weather condition. On all four corners we have these 10-spoke star design alloy wheels in anthracite black with a diamond cut finish, offering a lovely contrast to that grey pearlescent paintwork, tying in nicely with the S-Line and gloss black styling package. With the electrically operated tailgate open you get 565 litres of boot space, perfect for your everyday essentials and weekend away luggage. With the rear seats folded down you get 1680 litres, which is perfect for those larger, bulkier items. The interior is finished in part leather, part Alcantara for maximum luxury, and on the comfort front we have the centre armrest for rear passengers as well as the rear air vents so they get a taste of that precious air conditioning. Both outer seats come with Isofix points so you can safely and securely travel up to 2 child seats in the rear of the vehicle. In the front we have the flat-bottomed S-Line leather multifunction steering wheel with the Audi virtual cockpit behind, as well as the central touchscreen display and central touchscreen dual-zone climate control. Both front seats are sports seats with S-badge embossing at the top and are electrically adjustable with 4-way electric lumbar support, so finding your perfect driving position has never been easier. On the driver's side we have 2 levels of memory, so you can have up to 2 drivers with preset driving positions. The virtual cockpit is configurable and customisable to your preference using the left side of the multifunction steering wheel. On the right is your volume and voice control, so it's mid-journey phone calls, and underneath to the left your cruise control and speed limiter for precious motorway miles per gallon. From the central touchscreen display you can access Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, as well as DAB and FM radio stations, or even navigation. Under the climate control we have the Audi Drive Select, giving you maximum control of the overall feel and drive of the vehicle. And next to that we have the Park Assist button, which brings up the 360-degree camera system so you never have to worry about damaging that precious paintwork. Also included in this vehicle is the Park Assist, which lets the car park itself for you. All you have to do is change gear, accelerate and brake when prompted. With the dual zone climate control, both driver and passenger can be at different temperatures or synchronised if you're in the car on your own, and both front seats have 3 levels of heat to them, which is perfect for those cold winter mornings. If you like the look of this vehicle, do not hesitate to get in contact or simply come and take a look for yourself.